Hi everybody. If you fail the AWS certification exams, you can take the same exam for free. How does? Let's find out. Copy and paste the address into your browser. Enter. Then click the Get Promo Code button. Fill in the blanks in the form. Then click the Get Promo Code button. Here's your promo code for a free AWS exam retake. Also, you can open your email address and click on the message from Pearson. There is a same code in here too. For the code to be valid, you must take the exam between 15 March 2023 and May 31st 2023. If you fail the exam, you can retake the exam using the code sent to your email. Now click the button to take an exam date from Pearson for AWS and go on. I wish you growing success and good luck in your exam. Bye.